Hello everybody, I hope all of you are well and good. Sitting at home and learning from home is little difficult as we compare with the classroom teaching and classroom learning. Don't feel sad. Cambridge International School Daswa is here to help you out at this time of crisis and difficulties. Myself Rita from Cambridge International School Daswa, and today I am going to teach you chapter Nationalism in India from History portion grade 10. Today we will cover 3 questions. Fine. One question, first question will be, why did tribal people join non-cooperation movement? Or another form of the question is, explain the condition of plantation workers during the colonial rule in India. But before going further, shall we recap all the content that we have done earlier? When we start this chapter, we have done about First World War impact. Then we have done about Satyagraha movement, those 3 places. And I told you, if you remember, I told you that we will fill all these 3 stations on the map also. Then we have done Khilafat Rowlatt Act, Jallianwala Bagh, Khilafat movement, and then we have done non-cooperation movement. Now further, today our topic is tribal people. Now see, countryside में हमने थोड़ा पिछली बार किया था, हाँ, because the movement spread not only in the main parts of India, even countryside, this movement, national movement also spread. Now today our topic is tribal people, how tribal people participated and why they were against Britishers. क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ शहर के लोग ही उनके खिलाफ थे, गांव वाले और ट्राइबल पीपल भी उनके खिलाफ थे. सो टुडे वी विल डू रीजंस, देन इफेक्ट. वो क्यों खिलाफ थे, देन इसका रिजल्ट क्या हुआ. Because every question carry these 2 or 3 aspects: reason, course, and effect. So today we are doing why tribal people participating in non-cooperation movement and what was the effect. This will be our first question. I hope all of you are ready to learn. So together we will make this interesting topic more interesting. Shall we start? Yes. Topic is, explain the condition, even condition and effects also. Fine, because we will cover 2 aspects here. Explain the condition of plantation workers during the colonial rule in India. So first of all, I am telling you that tribal people were also against the Britishers, because tribal people interpreted the message of Mahatma Gandhi in their own way. This is the first reason. उन्होंने ना महात्मा गांधी के मैसेज को अपने तरीके से ले लिया. फाइन. फॉर देम फ्रीडम वॉज अ डिफरेंट थिंग. फॉर वर्कर्स फ्रीडम वॉज अ डिफरेंट थिंग. फॉर ट्राइबल पीपल फ्रीडम वॉज अ डिफरेंट थिंग. Like I am giving you real example, because I am adding this real example with you so that our topic will be easy and you will be comfortable with the content. Now see, if we are having 2 holidays, Saturday, Sunday, fine. All of you are having 2 holidays, na? Saturdays and Sundays. But for those 2 holidays, the meaning of those 2 holidays are different from person to person, from student to student. Some of the students take those 2 holidays for the enjoyment. Others students take those 2 holidays for learning and enjoy as well, both. But some of the special students, they take those 2 holidays to do an extra work. कि वही 2 दिन है जब कुछ खास काम करना है. फ्राइडे तक तो सारे ही पढ़ते हैं, all do homework. But for those 2 days only intelligent and intellectual students will learn. तो वो 2 छुट्टियों का मीनिंग सबके लिए अलग हो गया. इन द सेम वे फ्रीडम का मीनिंग सबके लिए अलग था. अब ट्राइबल पीपल ने क्या किया, दे इंटरप्रेटेड, दे एक्सप्लेन, दे ट्रांसलेटेड द फ्रीडम वर्ड इन देयर ऑन वे. उन्होंने, दे वर नॉट एजुकेटेड ना, और समवेयर दे वर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ स्वराज एंड मीनिंग ऑफ फ्रीडम टोल्ड बाय महात्मा गांधी. सो ये पहला रीजन था कि why Britishers took brutal steps against the tribal people. They interpreted the message of Mahatma Gandhi in their another way. Gudem Hills of Andhra Pradesh. Gudem Hills tribal people हैं, तो गुडन की पहाड़ियां हैं कहाँ पर? आंध्र प्रदेश में. सो दे पीपल यूज गोरिल्ला वॉरफेयर. यू नो गोरिल्ला कैसे लड़ता है? गोरिल्ला इज एन एनिमल लाइक मंकी. ये कैसे लड़ता है? गोरिल्ला अटैक ओनली फ्रॉम बैकवर्ड, वो पीछे से वार करता है. सो ये ट्राइबल पीपल, कबीले वाले लोग छुप जाते थे एंड व्हेन ब्रिटिशर्स केम तो ये पीछे से अटैक करते थे. तो मिलिटेंट गुरिल्ला मूवमेंट स्प्रेड इन गुडन हिल्स में. मिलिटेंट गुरिल्ला मूवमेंट, अब आपको समझ आ गया है ना, गुरिल्ला मूवमेंट spread in 1920. See, you have noticed one thing, that we are going forward to the topic event by event according to the year. Earlier we have started with 1915 जब गांधी जी आए, 1960 चंपारण मूवमेंट, then 1917 खेड़ा मूवमेंट, 1918 we have done Ahmedabad movement for cotton mill workers satyagrah, then 1919 Rowlatt Act and Jallianwala Bagh as well, then in 1920 we are doing this. Because you have to learn, beta, you have to learn all the year, because at last when our chapter will be finished you have to prepare one PPT, one presentation on this chapter, because one project from your class, and this time also 5 marks project, so you will prepare one PPT. Don't bother now, because I will tell you afterwards, June May. Fine. So now second reason, movement started in 1920. So colonial government closed forest, ये third reason था. They closed forest, taking wood, no one can take wood. Fruits, this was banned by the British India. So because they want that there should be banned, because they have reserved forest, they have categorized the forest, like you have done in grade 9 few chapters na, that was forest and colonialism. So they have marked some of the forest as a reserved forest. So firewood and fruits were not allowed, taken by them. So this was a nazar. One more thing, graze animal also. Now no animals would be allowed to graze animals. So these were the reasons. The tribal people, why tribal people were against. ये सब काम किए ब्रिटिश इंडिया ने, ब्रिटिशर्स ने interpret the message of, this was a reason. हाँ, they interpreted the message of महात्मा गांधी in another way. तो ब्रिटिशर्स didn't like it. गुडन हिल्स में मिलिटेंट गुरिल्ला वॉरफेयर हो गया 1920 में, और ब्रिटिश पीपल ने फॉरेस्ट लेने से मना कर दिया ट्राइबल पीपल को. सो दे एंगर, सो ट्राइबल पीपल एंगर्ड अगेंस्ट ब्रिटिशर्स. नाउ इफेक्ट क्या हुए? Because this question have two aspects. Whenever you will write this question in your, definitely you will write this question in your copy, because this is not direct answer, this is indirect, but otherwise you can take help from your textbook page number 60 and 61, because we are covering only 2 pages today. So now we are covering effects. अब इसके effects क्या हुए? अब ये जो कर रहे थे, हाँ, तो ट्राइबल पीपल भी चुप नहीं बैठते, तो व्हाट दे डिड, उनका लाइवलीहुड जो था ना वो अफेक्टेड हुआ. livelihood was affected. Second, what was the another effect, the way the policies launched by British India? The traditional rule, their traditional उन्होंने कहा कि their traditional rights denied. ये तो उनका ट्रेडिशनल राइट था, लकड़ी लेना, पेड़ काटना, तो सदियों से चलता आ रहा था. नो वन कैन स्टॉप, क्योंकि पेड़ जो है अकॉर्डिंग टू देम वो नेचुरल है, तो वो सरकार ने तो उगाए नहीं है. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू देम दैट द ट्रेडिशनल राइट वुड बी डिनाइड. हमारा तो हक है, वो सोच रहे थे कि पेड़ काटना, लकड़ी लेना. नो वन कैन स्टॉप देम, सो दिस एंगर्ड देम. Another effect, another they have, now when government forced to do begar, आपको याद है बेगार क्या? It is not beggar. Forcefully, when British government forced the workers to do the work for, चल क्या रहा था, रोड बिल्डिंग चल रही थी. British forcefully required the workers of tribal people into Bekar in the road, because there was road construction and road building program was there. So people were engaged, forcefully engaged in them, though they were not willing to join it. So this was the effect, those three effects, and that were condition. Our question is complete. First question done. I hope I am clear. Now second question. Beta, you have to write this question in your notebook, and when we will meet, I will check your notebooks. And my dear students, if you are having any doubt, let me know. I am here to help you. You can ask doubts in my WhatsApp personal account, and I am here to clear it. Now second question, very very important question. See, आज भी मैं वही कह रही हूँ. You people are very lucky that you are learning this chapter, nationalism in India, because after learning and revising this chapter, you will feel proud to be an Indian. इसमें आप वो पढ़ोगे जो सबको नहीं पता. महात्मा गांधी के बारे में सबको पता, लेकिन कुछ एक पर्सनैलिटीज ऐसी हैं जो आप पढ़ोगे, जैसे बाबा रामचंद्र वी हैव डन इन आवर लास्ट वीडियो. सो नाउ अनदर क्वेश्चन जो शायद किसी को नहीं पता, बट यू पीपल आर लकी टू लर्न अबाउट. एंड द क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट वाज this question? You will not write in your copy because direct answer is there at page number 60. So you can underline or make points over there. While learning, you have to make heading and elaborate answer, because your presentation would be like heading, 3-line explanation, heading, 3-line explanation, heading, 3-line explanation. Then presentation will be good. You will get 3 out of 3 or 5 out of 5 marks. Fine. And one more thing I am telling you, number of, even hundreds of questions are there for 1 mark. Please underline or highlight and learn the key terms side by side. Don't ignore the pictures even, because 1 mark answer from picture based question will be appear in your board exam, as according I have discussed with you in the class about blueprint. Now what was the second question? What was the contribution of Alluri Sitaram Raju? I know this is a new name for you. ये ट्राइबल पीपल थे, ये ट्राइबल पर्सन था. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग फिगर. You will very happy to surprise to learn about this personality. Alluri Sitaram Raju. Actually, Alluri Sitaram Raju belong to, you can say, tribal people. Goodham Hills में रहते थे. Fine. So interesting figure. यहाँ से हम अपना क्वेश्चन शुरू करेंगे. Alluri Sitaram Raju was an interesting figure. क्यों इंटरेस्टिंग था? रीजन बताऊं? अच्छा लगेगा आपको पढ़ के ये टॉपिक. Because he considered himself as incarnation of God. वो कहता था मेरे को भगवान ने मैसेंजर बना के भेजा है. Incarnation of God. और दूसरी बात वो कहता था that एस्ट्रोलॉजी, वो कहता था एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल प्रेडिक्शन है मेरे पास और मैं जो कहता हूं वही सही होता है. दो इट वाज नॉट राइट, ऐसा था नहीं. थर्ड, वो कहता था मेरे पास स्पेशल पावर्स हैं. स्पेशल मतलब कुछ मैजिकल पावर हैं. लाइक ही कैन, स्पेशल पावर्स में हम डाल सकते हैं लाइक he can heal the people, ऐसा वो कहता था. and no effect of gunshot, कहता मुझे गोली भी नहीं लगेगी. no effect of gunshot. so this was the prediction, this was the thinking of Alluri Sitaram Raju according to him. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था, प्रेडिक्शन उसकी सही नहीं होती थी और गनशॉट से भी वो मरा था. बट according to him, he was saying that he is incarnation of God, because he claimed that he is having supernatural powers. ये थी सारी उनके पास पावर. बट पॉजिटिव पॉइंट्स क्या थे उसके? नाउ दिस विल बी सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. व्हाट वर द पॉजिटिव पॉइंट्स? इसमें क्या अच्छा था? एक नेगेटिव भी था. पॉजिटिव पॉइंट क्या थे? He was impressed by Mahatma Gandhi. Second, he was in favor of giving up drinking. शराब ना पीने के हक में था. He was in favor of using खादी. वो इनमें था, वो महात्मा गांधी जी के साथ. Impressed by महात्मा गांधी, give up drinking and use of खादी. वो इसके हक में था. इम्प्रेस था वो गांधी जी से और उसको कहता था कि ड्रिंकिंग को छोड़ना चाहिए और हमें खादी का इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए. सिर्फ एक चीज में वो डिफरेंट था, एक नेगेटिव पॉइंट था. ये था पॉजिटिव पॉइंट्स और एक हम करेंगे नेगेटिव पॉइंट. वो किस में डिफरेंट था? ही बिलीव्ड इन वायलेंस. He believed in violence. गांधी जी believed in non-violence and he believed in violence. वो कहता था force use करके, use of force should be must because without military power, without force, they can't just kick out the British people from India. यहाँ वो different था and he adopted the same method of violence. और इसका result क्या हुआ? When he adopted the वायलेंट मेथड, व्हाट वाज द रिजल्ट? क्या हुआ होगा? क्या ब्रिटिशर्स चुप बैठे होंगे? नो. रिजल्ट, ट्राइबल पीपल ने क्या किया? अटैक्ड पुलिस स्टेशन. उन्होंने सबसे पहले, अब ये देखो, गांधी जी नेवर बिलीव्ड इन वायलेंस. ही अटैक्ड पुलिस स्टेशन. ठीक है, ये पहला था. नाउ अब ऐसा करेंगे तो ब्रिटिशर्स विल नॉट कीप क्वाइट एंड दे किल्ड ऑफिसर. ट्राइबल पीपल अलोंग सीताराम, along with the leadership of सीताराम राजू, they killed officers, British officers. उनको मार दिया. And then they use, here you can write guerrilla warfare. गुरिल्ला वॉरफेयर यूज करके उन्होंने पीपल को, ब्रिटिशर्स को मारा. देन गुरिल्ला वॉरफेयर यूज करके मारा. देन फाइनली अब ब्रिटिशर्स विल नॉट कीप क्वाइट, दे टुक ब्रूटल स्टेप्स बाय ब्रिटिशर्स. They took brutal steps by Britishers and finally what was the result? Raju was captured in 1924 and he was killed. But by that time he became the hero of that area, the folk hero of that area. तब तक वो hero बन चुका था लोगों. Even today also Andhra Pradesh people and Gudem Hill people remember this celebrity, this personality. So this was the question of Alluri Sitaram Raju. I hope I am clear to you. Now third question and last question we will do. I hope I am clear. Shall we start third question? I will not take your much time. Fine, because we have to cover the syllabus also now, my dear. Yes, question number 3. You will get this topic from page number 61. Now heading will be, you will see the heading Swaraj in plantation. Swaraj in plantation. अब इसका क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट वाज द सिस्टम ऑफ स्वराज इन प्लांटेशन. क्वेश्चन बनेगा, व्हाट वाज द सिस्टम ऑफ plantation. What was the system of plantation in, what was the system of Swaraj in plantation? Are you ready for the topic? Yes, answer. Now here, first point you will write workers in Assam, because workers in Assam freedom was different meaning, as I told you ना. अब दो छुट्टियों का मतलब सबके लिए अलग अलग होता है. So Assam people के लिए freedom का मतलब कुछ और था. For them, freedom meaning that Gandhi Raj would come, their land will be redistributed, they were free from taxes, and there will be happiness all over the world. Fine. So freedom means the right to move freely. इनके लिए था right to move freely. वो ये समझते थे फ्रीडम ये है. उसके बाद सेकेंड, then British government passed IEA, Inland Immigration Act, and they have passed this act in 1859. According to this act, plantation workers were not permitted to leave the tea garden without their permission. इसमें था टी गार्डन वाली बात, वो उनके परमिशन के बिना गार्डन नहीं छोड़ेंगे. Now, when they heard about NCM, non-cooperation movement, they rushed towards Gandhiji and they were very eager to participate in non-cooperation movement, क्योंकि वो ये समझते थे, their belief, गांधी राज विल कम, वो ये समझते थे गांधी राज विल कम and there will be Swaraj, there will be पूर्ण स्वराज. Now see, this is again a Hindi word for you, स्वतंत्र भारत. I was going to write in Hindi. स्वतंत्र भारत is a Hindi word. वो समझते थे स्वतंत्र भारत का मतलब है that Gandhi Raj will come and there will be no kind of taxes and land will be redistributed. But they were caught by the police. Result क्या हुआ? These people caught by the police and brutally steps taken by Britishers. Number of people killed and Gandhiji was very upset with the act. So this view of Swaraj means all kind of suffering will be removed. उनका कहना था कि suffering will be finished. But ऐसा नहीं हुआ. And when they took brutal steps, when they took the path of non-violence, and then British government also taken brutal steps against the Indian people. Now, though this picture is at your book, page number 61, this picture is showing the scene of Chauri Chaura of 1992. Because of this incident, Gandhiji has taken off the called off the movement. हम इसके लिए called off word use करेंगे. Called off the movement. उन्होंने फिर नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट वापस ले ली थी बिकॉज ऑफ चौरी चौरा इंसिडेंट. अब ये भी याद रखना बिकॉज वी विल फिल दिस स्टेशन ऑन मैप. सो नाउ आवर टॉपिक इज क्लियर. Shall we sum up? Today we have cleared 3 questions. First we have done tribal people contribution और उसका effect. Then we have done Alluri Sitaram Raju, incarnation of God और gunshot और prediction, वो सब. But he was assassinated in 1924 और तब तक वो हीरो बन चुका था. Then स्वराज इम्प्लांटेशन जस्ट वी हैव कवर्ड के वर्कर्स थे और इसमें इनलैंड इमिग्रेशन एक्ट 1859 में पास हुआ और एनसीएम से प्रभावित थे ये. और देन फाइनली ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट टुक ब्रूटल स्टेप्स अगेंस्ट द इंडियंस because they were thinking that Swaraj will come, Gandhi Raj will come and they will free from all kind of taxes and land will be redistributed. So now we have covered 3 topics, 3 questions. You have to write 2 questions in your copy, but the first one you will Alluri Sitaram Raju question you will underline only from book and 2 questions to write. In my next video, we will meet with next topics from same chapter. Till then, goodbye and have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you so much.